This review evaluates 5 popular options across a price spectrum from budget to premium, representing 3 brands: Marine Sport, Sport Marine SE lines, Stingray Hydrofoils, and HydroShield. Our methodology combines manufacturer specifications, independent performance considerations, and practical usability observations drawn from typical boats in the 8 to 300 HP range. We assessed mounting compatibility.
Number 1. SE Sport 300 Hydrofoil. The SE Sport 300 is Marine Sport's mid to high-end model within the SE Sport line, designed to operate across a broad horsepower spectrum from 35 horsepower to 300 horsepower. It emphasizes streamlined hydrodynamics and stable lift with a compact form factor. The product's line's emphasis on efficiency is consistent with Marine Sport's branding, and this unit is positioned to deliver improvements in planing behavior and handling across a wide range of outboard installations. Performance-wise, the SE Sport 300 is expected to provide noticeable lift that reduces planing RPMs and promotes earlier attainment of a stable hull latitude, particularly on boats that are prone to chine walk. The broad HP range makes it a versatile option for owners who may upgrade engines without changing foil hardware. For installation, expect cavitation plate mounting with stainless steel fasteners, typical of Marine Sport builds, and a likely focus on minimal maintenance because of the simple 2-piece design. In practice, users should verify compatibility with their particular engine model and cavitation plate geometry to ensure optimal clearance and effective thrust coupling.
List number 2. Sport Marine SE Sport 200 High-Performance Hydrofoil for 8 to 40 HP motors. The SE Sport 200 is described as a high-performance, 2-size hydrofoil with a focus on 8 to 40 HP outboards. It features TurboTrack to enhance thrust and control, and a crescent-shaped surface designed to funnel water efficiently for improved hole shot and plane stability. The construction uses 1-piece high-strength copolymer with stainless steel hardware included, making it a lightweight, corrosion-resistant option that attaches to the cavitation plate. In use, the SE Sport 200 targets quicker planing and improved maneuverability at lower speeds, which is particularly appealing for small to mid-sized craft, trolling boats, and boats with marginal hull lift. The unit's compact size can minimize drag when not on plane, while still delivering lift once water flow accelerates. However, given its recommended HP ceiling of 40 HP, owners with higher horsepower engines should not rely on this model without upgrading to a higher capacity foil in the SE Sport line. The product's weight specification notes 3 grams, likely a packaging or misprint in the data. Real-world weight is essential for handling and mounting considerations.
List number 3. SE Sport 300 Hydrofoil. This appears to be a duplicate entry of Product 1, reflecting the same SE Sport 300 model from Marine Sport, which supports a wide HP range, from 35 to 300 HP. The listing reiterates the brand consistency and product positioning within the SE Sport lineage, emphasizing lift, stability, and efficient planing assistance across a broad engine spectrum. From a usability standpoint, owners with varying engine sizes can rely on a single hydrofoil to maintain planing behavior. The main considerations revolve around mounting geometry and ensuring compatibility with the cavitation plate and lower unit design to avoid interference at high speeds. For enthusiasts upgrading from older foil models, the SE Sport 300's broad HP compatibility can simplify decision-making in the event of a future engine swap.
List number 4. Hydrofoil Boat Stabilizer. HydroShield's L35 Hydrofoil is a premium skeg-mounted shield designed for engines over 100 HP up to 425 HP, offering a combination of lift, skeg protection, and wildlife shielding. The product stresses high horsepower compatibility, robust bracketing, and a solution aimed at preventing prop strikes while improving planing and handling. Multiple sizes are available to accommodate various boat lengths and motor configurations, with a focus on heavy-duty marine applications. In practice, the L35 delivers significant stabilization benefits at high speeds, especially on larger boats where skeg damage and propeller strikes carry greater risk. The dual benefits of performance and protection come at a premium price,
reflecting the advanced material and mounting hardware. Installation is straightforward with a two-step process and marine-grade stainless brackets. But boat owners should confirm compatibility with their specific outboard or stern drive model and ensure sufficient clearance behind the skeg for safe operation at higher speeds.
List number 5. Stingray Hydrofoils Classic Senior 2 Hydrofoils for 40 to 300 HP, black. Stingray Classic Senior 2 hydrofoils are designed for 40 to 300 HP engines and emphasize durable, no-drill installation with strong lift characteristics intended to reduce chine walk and porpoising. The single-piece design aims for quick on-plane performance with a focus on reliability and broad compatibility across a range of outboard motors. The product is marketed as one of the most popular Stingray models, with a US-made pedigree and multiple color options. In actual use, the Senior 2 provides robust stabilization and lift without complex mounting hardware, making installation straightforward for many users. The model's broad HP range aligns well with mid-size boats and outdrives requiring enhanced stability. While it delivers reliable lift and improved fuel economy through reduced drag at speed, buyers should confirm compatibility with their hull and lower unit configuration, as improper fitment could limit performance gains or cause clearance issues at higher speeds.